Welcome back to Silicophilic. Have you ever turned on your PC and wondered what actually happens before Windows appears on the screen? Most people press the power button and expect everything to work, but behind the scenes, Windows performs several security checks before it allows your operating system to start. And right now, Microsoft is warning users about something that could affect millions of PCs over the next year. If your computer is more than a couple of years old, there is a good chance it's still using an older secure boot certificate that will expire in June 2026. To update it, here is how to do it. What is Secure Boot? Before we jump into Windows, let's quickly understand why this matters. Think of Secure Boot as a security guard standing at the entrance of your computer. Every time your PC starts, Secure Boot checks the software that's loading before Windows launches. If that software has been digitally signed by a trusted source, it gets permission to continue. If something suspicious tries to load during startup, Secure Boot can block it before it causes damage. This helps protect against bootkits, rootkits, startup malware, certain ransomware attacks. The problem? The certificate many PCs currently trust is called Microsoft Windows UEFI CA2011, and that certificate expires in June 2026. Microsoft is replacing it with Microsoft Windows UEFI CA 2023. So the big question is, does your PC already have the newer certificate? Let's check. Check your current Secure Boot status. Open the Start menu, type PowerShell. Now right-click Windows PowerShell and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when User Account and Control appears. Once PowerShell opens, enter the below command. Press Enter. If PowerShell returns true, then it is a good news. Your PC already recognizes the newer Windows UEFI CA 2023 certificate. You likely don't need to do anything else. If it returns false, your system hasn't been updated yet and you will want to continue with the next steps. Make sure Windows is fully updated. Before manually installing anything, check for Windows updates first. Open Settings, then navigate to Windows Update. Click Check for updates if restart is required. Click on the Restart Now button. Install everything available including security updates, cumulative updates, optional security updates. Many systems receive Secure Boot certificate updates automatically through Windows Update. Once updates finish, restart the PC. Then run the PowerShell command again. If it now returns true, you are done. If not, continue. Why Microsoft is making this change? Microsoft isn't changing these certificates just for fun. Over the years, researchers discovered vulnerabilities that could potentially bypass old secure boot protections. One example is a bootkit known as Black Lotus. This malware specifically targeted weaknesses in older security boot implementations. The newer Windows UEFI CA 2023 certificate helps strengthen protections against these kinds of attacks. That's why Microsoft wants systems migrated before the 2026 expiration date arrives. Join the Windows Insider program. Some users may receive Secure Boot improvements earlier through Insider builds. If you enjoy testing upcoming Windows features, you can join the Insider program. Open Settings, navigate to Windows Update. Select Windows Insider program. Click on Get Started, sign in with your Microsoft account and choose a channel. For most users, Release Preview is safest, Beta is for moderate testing, Canary is experimental. Restart the PC when prompted. After joining, install available updates and check the Secure Boot status again. This isn't required, but it can help you receive certain platform updates sooner. Manually enable the new certificate. If Windows Update hasn't installed the certificate yet, Microsoft provides a manual activation method. Create a restore point before making any changes. Once done, open PowerShell as administrator. Run the registry trigger command. This sets the available updates flag to 0x5944, which deploys all relevant Secure Boot updates, new 2023 CA certificates, KEK update, and Boot Manager. Next, run Microsoft's activation command. This forces Windows to immediately process the registry trigger and apply the new certificates. Restart your system twice. The first reboot allows Windows to apply the Secure Boot database changes. The second reboot ensures the firmware and Boot Manager fully recognizes the new certificates. Now to verify update status, run this below command. UEFI CA 2023 status should now be updated. If errors occurred, they will appear under UEFI CA 2023 error. For quick verification run, confirm Secure Boot UEFI. This should return true if Secure Boot is enabled and using the updated certificate. The new certificate is active. Bonus check: is Secure Boot enabled? While we are here, let's confirm Secure Boot itself is enabled. Press Windows+R, type this in the Run command box and hit Enter. In System Information, look at Secure Boot state. You should see it is turned on. If it stays off, you will need to enable Secure Boot inside your motherboard's UEFI or BIOS settings. The exact steps vary by manufacturer. Most users probably won't notice anything happening in the background. Microsoft is gradually deploying the newer Windows UEFI CA 2023 certificate through Windows Update. But if you have paused updates, disabled automatic updates, or haven't updated your PC in a long time, it's worth checking today rather than waiting until 2026. It only takes a minute to verify your status, and doing so can help avoid future boot issues while keeping your system protected against newer threats. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Silicophilic, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest Windows tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.